Hi, my name is Kari and I'm the product architect here at FieldSync. What I'd like to go over with you today is one of our reports in the reporting module called the Task Detail Report. So to get to this report, I need to log into the web application as a user that has accessibility to the reports module, select the reports button from the dashboard, and then I come to my report section. So we've gone through the log report in another video, so I'm going to take you through the task detail report. Now, as a high-level summary about this report, what this shows you is all of the information that is collected through the data entry module, either on the web application or through the mobile application. So it allows you to see in a reportable format all of the data that's collected for all of the tasks for all of your customers. So based on a certain time frame, we default to 1 week from today. You can have a quick glance at all of the entries that have been entered for all of your customers by all of your users for all of their tasks. Now, if you would like to, you can actually filter down the list of reports, either filter it by customer name, by the user who collected the data, if you want to look at a specific individual, or once you've selected a customer, so we'll choose Carol, then you can choose a specific program or task for that individual. So let's go ahead and choose Remains Calm, and I'm going to go back a month to make sure we have some data there. And this is another way you can filter it. You can set this date range for any date range, and it'll show you the results by selecting Search. So here you can see very quickly that we had 2 data entries for the Remains Calm task for Carol in the month of February. Now for each of these, it shows all of the data that is stagnant for the task, meaning the instructions to the staff, which service it falls under, and all of those things. It also shows you any configurable fields. So in this case, we only have one configurable field, whether or not she remained calm, yes or no. So you can see that data there. All of this information that shows up in the grid can be exported to Excel simply by selecting this Export to Excel button. Now what that allows you to do is view the data in Excel, where you can easily create charts or graphs, or you can do calculations. You can sort the data differently, and it just really gives you a lot of options when it comes to the reporting. You can also look at the detail of each task. So let's take this one for example. I'm going to select View, and it brings up a printable formatted report that shows, now at the top it shows all of the task information just about this specific task, and then down at the bottom it shows the entry for that specific day. So you can see here on the 6th at 10:02 p.m. my user was Alma, and the results were not applicable, and she indicated that Carol did a great job today and answered the question. So this report in this format can either be saved as a PDF so that you can attach it and send it out as an email. You could export it to CSV or Excel, and you can also print it by selecting this button here. And this really allows you to provide the information to individuals that are outside of the FieldSync system, or just keep it for records. Now let's go ahead. I'm going to clear the filters, and let's see if we can bring up a different one that maybe has a little bit more detail to it, so you can see what that task detail report looks like. So here you can see one that has a few more configurable fields that was collected on March 7th, and there's some different questions answered here, and then you can even see we have a photo. Now this is just of John at his desk, but you can see that the photo was captured with the mobile application. There was a signature captured, and also the GPS coordinates were captured. So all of that data is now available in this report to be printed or to send in a PDF to your customer or client. So that summarizes the task detail report, where you can really see all of the information that is collected by your staff about your customers when they're conducting those different tasks with them. If you have any questions about this report or any additional reports, don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you.